OnePlus Ace. The dual SIM OnePlus Ace runs on Android 12 with ColorOS 12.1 on top and features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 28:9 aspect ratio and 120Hz dynamic refresh rate. The display also has a peak brightnesses of up to 950 nits and is protected by a 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the OnePlus Ace carries the octa-core Mediatek Dimensity 8100 Max SoC along with 8GB and 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM options. The smartphone comes with the triple rear camera setup that houses a 50 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and 2 megapixel macro shooter. For selfie and video chats, the OnePlus Ace comes with a 16 megapixel camera at the front. The OnePlus Ace comes with up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. OnePlus Ace price has been set at 29,600 for the base 8GB plus 128GB storage variant.